What's up YouTube? Today I am installing some carbon fiber trim to my girlfriend's Mach, or I should say fiance. I was trying to get hyped up with some Nate Diaz fights before I did this. I already got one of the trims installed. I'll show you guys how it looks. Got that in a lower splitter for her car. I think it looks amazing. I have one more piece to do right here. But yeah, I also got the lower splitter lip that goes on down here. It's in the garage right now. I'm gonna put that on next. But just needed to spice this car up just a little bit. And I think it actually looks factory. It does not look out of place at all. Yeah, we'll see. And like I said before, I'm not an electric car guy, but I'm gonna be honest, I really like this car. Every time I drive it, I fall in love with it again. It's so comfortable, so smooth. And the battery is definitely as advertised. It's really good. We get like 300 miles out of this thing really easy, and I'm punching the pedal a little bit. I mean, obviously it's not this beast at all. This car is faster, by the way. I got a video coming up soon. We're gonna prove it. I don't know why the Ford dealership was trying to tell me that this car will take my Mach 1. That is impossible. But it is quick. The only downfall with the Mach E is when you slam the gas pedal, let's say, it's not right away, but when the battery gets nice and hot and you punch it about 10 times, it slows down big time. But yeah, you get it in the morning, you know, like what us V8 guys like to call a cold start. And you warm up a little bit, and you know how the Mustangs are a little jumpy. It's kind of how the electric cars are when it's nice and cool or cold, basically. You know, I let it warm up still like it's an engine. I let it go for about a minute, and then I take off. But yeah, when it's cool, it definitely takes off. The one thing I'll say about this car, the one feedback I'll give for sure, that I kind of like better than my Mach 1, not so much though, but kind of like it better, is when you need to change lanes and get up to speed. These Mach E's, man, or any battery cars, I assume, I don't know, but I know these Mach E's are pretty damn strong. It fucking takes off and it goes to the next lane quick, but it's like a 2-second rush, maybe 3 seconds, and then it kind of slows up. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Honestly, I think it looks beautiful. Yeah, I know it's an electric car, but carbon fiber, if you do it right, I think it's beautiful to add on. Let's see, let's make it a little wider. I know it's the first time my Mustang was parked on the street. Pretty pissed off about it, but it's okay. It looks way better in person, this carbon fiber. This video definitely doesn't do justice, but it is what it is. You guys could judge. I like it. Alright guys, now we're in the Mach E. I have my son with me. Let's put it in unbridled mode, so it goes a little faster, right baby?
Yep.
And then this guy got these fancy little drinks. Prime. Let me see, this one's Daddy's drinking.
This one's mine.
So after we installed the carbon fiber trim, this is what we went to get to recover from all that hard work, because, yeah.
Dad's a Prime hater.
No, I'm not. This is my first time. Let me see how I like it.
I thought you said you were a Prime hater last time.
I'm not a Prime hater. But here, put your seatbelt on, little buddy, and hold the drinks. Here, I'll put mine right here.
Okay, I'll put mine.
All right. And we're going to take this Mach 1 for a little POV. Even though that carbon fiber trim is not any type of modification in any way, we're not going to gain speed here. We're going to gain a little bit of looks, though. In person, it actually does look good. Jax, put your seatbelt on.
I can't. It's so weird. Wait,
Go,
did you know?
Go in the middle, then.
Go.
Mr.
And
Making
guys,
Excuses.
If you guys are watching this, did you know? If you are subscribing, if you subscribe, then me or Dad will give you like carbon fiber on your car. If you
Oh,
have a
whoa,
Mustang.
hold on. Daddy ain't got money like that. But we'll eventually get there. We get a little more subscribers. We'll start doing giveaways if we get to that point. You know, just kind of more for fun though, baby.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, as I'm speeding, let me just say a prayer to the Lord.
Wait, Dad, look at the front.
My girl has a lot of faith.
Dad, look at the
So do
front.
I. So do him. Huh?
It's white color.
Yep. Yep, and the Mach. Let's do that lane changing that I was talking about. Wait, that was uphill though.
He makes Mustang videos. I make just random.
It's like so weird.
I make random videos.
But yeah, my son wanted me to get this into my video today.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
You wanted it.
Oh, okay. Always blame me. So I made sure I'm going to throw this in for him. Every now and then I got to give him a little treat because he loves this YouTube content stuff. So, all right, guys. Just want to say thanks for watching. And see you next time.
Nobody likes me.